Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Another day, another green day, over $800 profit. Right now I do have a trade open, but this is going to be my last trade. I got to stop in place. If this goes down, keeps running, then I'll take some profits later in the day. If this comes up and stops me, I think I'll still be at around $800 profit, and I'm okay. It might even stop me out here in the middle of this recording. So, but other than that, the last import I did on my trader view was for 750 bucks, so it looks like it'll go up a little bit. If I get stopped out, it'll be about $800 profit. So I'm looking at about $800 profit today on the day. Yesterday, another good day, 1400, and then the day before that was like 1700. So I'm making a little bit of that loss back from Monday, and I'm sitting right under my all-time highs already, back decently on the month, or at least for it just starting out. If you guys are new to my YouTube channels, I stream live every single day, guys. I got over 100 people every single morning. It's just a fun time, just a fun community. I don't charge for anything. I do all of this for completely free. You guys can talk to me while I'm trading live. You guys can hear my thoughts, opinions, tickers, and all that stuff. So you guys definitely should come out. One little just a heads up though, tomorrow I cannot trade and I cannot stream, so there will be none of that tomorrow, but I'll be back Monday. This is just a rare occasion. I don't do this often. Most of the times I'm here Monday through Friday. Here I might be getting stopped out. Anyways, but yeah, if you guys like these recaps as well, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below if you guys have any questions at all, whether it's platform, stocks, tickers, anything like that. If you guys have any video ideas as well, I know I only post live videos and recaps. If you guys have any like general video ideas that you guys want to see from me, or just make a video, comment down below. I've never done anything like that, so maybe I'll start doing some of those as well. Let me talk about Tesla today. So I'll go over the trades that I did take today on Tesla. Let me go ahead and select my trades so you guys can see it. Tesla, man, I don't understand this thing. It's literally a train that just does not stop. This thing does not stop moving up. This thing does not stop buying. Just people are coming in the stock, and there's no pullback on it. I mean, for the last month and a half, this thing has only had like two red days. This thing is on a roll. This thing needs a big pullback, and I've been waiting for that day that sells off, waiting for that day that people to take some profit, and it just keeps going. It's just strong. So it's been pretty weird. I think the top should be in pretty soon. I'm not gonna predict the top, but I'm gonna try to catch that one day where people start taking profits, and then hopefully can get a nice trade down, kind of like Google today. So Google finally, this is kind of the day that I'm looking for Tesla. One of these days where it just absolutely sells off. Maybe get one of these days on Tesla here pretty soon. Anyways, the trades today, I did a good job of not taking any trades in the first chop opening session, so I didn't get chopped up. I took a few scalps here, but nothing crazy. This started pushing, I shorted it, didn't get that, and then had a little bit of a nice fade down. I tried shorting some of these pops. I think I went $100 green, and then I think I gave it back on this pops. I tried shorting, got stopped out here, and I think I went right on the ticker now. I might be getting stopped. I'm watching. I think it's like 790s where I might get stopped. I guess I can look at my side chart. So I got a little bit chopped around, and then this thing popped up again, and I'm looking for this thing to sell off. So I was pretty short bias. I'm about to get stopped out into the stock, and it just does not want to fade. But I tried it. If it doesn't work, I take my profit. And then finally I was like, there's no way this thing is going to keep on pushing higher. So you know what? Might as well just try to go long. Looking for that high of day pre-market here, and then I got stopped out. So 785, 209.50 was the other level. So 209.50. 209.50. Sorry, I was reading a comment. 209.50 was the high during pre-market. So at that point, I was trying to hit a long, break that high, and see how much we can take this. Got a good long there. Took some out right over 209.50, and then added back in a little bit. Took it out on the squeeze, and then I just did not expect this thing to keep pushing. I just did not think this thing was gonna go. Did not think this thing was gonna keep pushing. So I got fully out, and then flags tiny bit here again, 2-minute flag there, and then goes for another run. Now here is where I almost had probably the best trade of the day. I literally at 214, I was like, this is done. Look at this move, no pullback at all. I'm gonna short this thing. Didn't hit the short, and then this thing drops $3. I'm like, you have to be kidding. So I missed that one. Try to catch a little pop here, trying to get the move back down to 210. I was looking 210 pivot here, so I thought this could flag one more leg down to 210. Didn't work. Then kind of retraded, kind of shorted this pop here, almost shorted that one. And then kind of just little scalps here and there. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. I just hit the short right there, so kind of this pivot there. As soon as this cracked this trend line, got under that level. As soon as it started popping up, I tried hitting the short against that level. I was in the green here, was in the green there. I was almost up over 860 bucks here, and then this thing just came back and stopped me out there. But pretty simple trades here. No quick entries and exits. The only one that I do want to point out, and this is exactly the same thing as yesterday, is watch the key levels that Tesla wants to act around, and then see how it behaves. Because today it was 210, yesterday it was 200, and if you look at these three candles here, and this is pretty cool. If you look at these three candles, right? 210, flat top there, breaks out, pulls back, small adds at 210 if you can get it, pulls back up, closes green, puts the pressure on the shorts after that, and then the next candle squeezes. So kind of that push there, kind of that retest, closes strong, and next leg up. And that three candle bar play right there at a key level of 210, look at that, take a picture of it, take a screenshot of it, memorize it, and look at this. Yesterday at 200 bucks. Does that not look exactly the same? You have the flat top at 200, you have the break to 200, you have the retest of 200, you have the slurp right back up, closes high, and then boom, next leg goes for another squeeze, right? So everybody that thought, oh, this is just a fake breakout at it short, then they get smacked up right up here, and then they go for another squeeze. That three candle bar play right there at 200 is how I made like $1,200 yesterday. And I did not think this was going to happen. Didn't think Tesla had the strength today, but that was exactly the same three bar play that it did right here today. Break, pulls back, retest, closes strong, next leg up, and this one also kept running as well. But anyways, locking in 785. I guess I can go ahead and import this, locking in $785 for the day. Happy with that. No trading tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Monday. You guys have a good weekend. Talk to you guys then.